offload, but now we're just gonna do 14 and start it again. Yo, accidentally ran 70B model. Oh no. That would be like, that wouldn't even work. That'd be so slow. Like 1 token every day. I'm kidding. Maybe not every day. Maybe like every 10 seconds. Which, imagine if you had like the world's smartest AI model. Like it was a super genius, but it was 1 token every day. That would kind of be worth it if it would like discovered some amazing thing after like a month. I've heard they're making cards which just dedicated to AI pros. They're making one for enterprise, but like nothing for consumers. Is it possible to create a completely safe local LLM? Yeah, definitely. Like safe compared to what? Like in terms of what? Like you're not saying anything dangerous? Alright, Starling, again. Open chat. Okay, I don't think we're GPU offloading. We're not lagging. Okay, that's good. JSON mode. Okay. No, why is my VRAM usage 7 gigs? That's still a bit scary. If I do it in this, does it still go up to 7 gigs? What am I building? I'm building an open source web browsing agent. No access to the internet? Yeah. Just make sure your computer doesn't have access to the internet. But generally, like LLMs don't have access to the internet unless you give them the ability to, or you write code to listen to an LLM to do stuff on the internet. But yeah, like theoretically you could run this completely offline with, I suggest something like Olama or Jan. Those are like open source, you know, AI inference software. But LM Studio is really easy to use, but it is closed source, I think. RAM usage 11 gigs. Look, I'm just gonna do 10 to be safe. And we're gonna load Starling again. I think we'll be fine. Can I share the GitHub for this project? Yeah, it's just aj47/clicklist-cage. Let me show you. Yeah. Yeah. Am I allowing it to have access on the internet? No, so mine completely runs on the Chrome browser. And so I guess it kind of, yeah. And we execute code based on what it says. So yes, I guess it is access to my web browser in that sense. How does it get all the data when browsing offline? Which thing are you talking about? I'm running a local LLM, yes, but all the stuff it's doing is on my web browser. So all of the internet information is there, if that makes sense. What GPU do I have? 2080 Ti. Thanks for the rose, by the way, Kacharek. Hey, Soundwaves, good morning. What's happening? Alright, let's see. Go to YouTube. Will it work this time? I don't think so. Prime YouTube. Okay, that looks good. The LLM response looks good, so probably some issue with the code. Let's have a look at the code. Did I make any changes recently? 28 changes. Oh, all this meta GPT stuff we're going to delete. delete. Yeah, delete all this. And no changes since this last background JS, where we at nav URL. Okay, so do we have the logs? Oh, yeah. OpenAI issue with the response here. What was the latest one? Oh no, we got a parse issue. Had issue parsing the JSON, but let's see if this is valid JSON. Open bracket, close bracket. Seems pretty good. Do we have the network? Katrek uses 24090s. Crazy. And you still can't even use big LLMs. Yeah, I mean anything over like 100 billion parameters. You can surely run the 70B models relatively speedy, right, Katrek? Asiku, thanks for the follow. Okay, it's not. I don't think it's liking my response. Go to YouTube. I think it's invalid JSON. Let's have a look. Response, thought, console. Expected property name or close bracket at JSON 6. Find the first match with JSON. So it's not liking that format. Oh, there is no close bracket. It's kind of cut off. Why is that? Was that how it was in LM Studio? It is. Oh. That's interesting. Oh, because there's extra text though. Oh, there is a closed one. Let's try just debug this function here. So I have this text. Okay. And I want to see if I can parse it using the function I have. Where is the? It's in utils. Where's my JSON parsing here? Where's this? Okay. I should actually copy the whole function. All right. Extract JSON object. Extract JSON object text. Yep, same error. That's good. Now we can debug it. Let's print the match here. Console.log match. And try to run that again. Okay, so this is what it thinks the match is. That looks pretty good. Wonder if it's an issue with the new lines. Wait, hold on. Where did it go? JSON.parse that match. Oh no, there's two. Oh, it's an issue with the closing. No, that's not it. I was gonna say double quotes. Oh my god. Oh no, we still got the error. Yo, world perspective, thank you. Barrel says use JSON path. What's JSON path? Is that another? John Wood, thanks for the gifts. Yo, what's up? Oh, Jordan Tout, thank you for the super chat for a beer. Legend, thank you. I don't have beer, but I have water. Cheers. You know, I've never done a drunk stream. Maybe we should do a drunk stream. I don't know. I don't know if that'll be good or bad. Probably bad. Okay, what's wrong with this? Wait, I don't think you can do multi-line with single quote. What about now? Okay, good. I think this is the same error we wanted. Can you spot the issue with this JSON parse? Yo, thanks for the follow. Unfortunately, I couldn't read your name, so I'm going to zoom it here. I am, or something. You can validate JSON with XPath to see if it's valid. With XPath validate or use online JSON path validator. Alright. Online. Why wouldn't I just search online JSON validator? What's a JSON path? Okay, let's see what would happen if I type JSON path. Oh. Maybe it's a better thing. JSON path. What is JSON path? Is that different to JSON? JSON path error. Is it cause thought and param aren't in double quotes? This could be the reason. But that's not normally why it complains. Okay. Oh. Maybe that is the problem. Yes, it's the reason, says Samir. It's the parse or pinpoint. I use it a lot. Okay. What are we doing? Yo, Ronald Dog, what's up? Did you say something? You should try it? Try what? JSON path? I did. Comment at the end? Double quotes. Yeah, there's a double quotes missing on the keys, supposedly. So let's confirm that with JavaScript. Because I thought JSON path didn't care about that. Oh, it does. So the issue is either with Starling or LM Studio. I don't know which one of them is. Probably Starling, because I've had this work before with other models. I'm feeling like I should add the leeway. Like, let's just fix that in JSON. Like, make sure. How do you fix that in JSON? Some regex? I'm doing well, Mr. T. Thank you. Oh, you just woke up, Ronald. Good morning. Hope you're having a good morning. Easter weekend, is that a thing where you are? It's a thing where I am. Alright, whatever. Let's just. I'm pretty sure it works with a different model, so I'm gonna use Hermes 2 Pro. I like this one. Use Flowwise to do JSON parsing. Nice. And checking on Mistral Instruct. Let me just make sure that. No, we'll keep this. I'm pretty sure it works. If it lags, I'm going to be sad, but let's see. Go to YouTube. Come on. Come on, Clickerless. I don't think it's doing it. Oh no. It's just taking a while to think. It's like twice as slow at least with this half GPU offload. Normally it's not this slow. It was like instant when I was trying it with full GPU offload. Mr. T says use prompt templates to do a tree of thought to check 3 times. Oh, that's a good way. That's actually a really interesting way, like expensive. I feel like you could get a foolproof way with though I think I still have ChatGPT-4. I cancelled my GPT-4. Oh no, I still have it for this month. I think it expires tomorrow or something. We like write JS code to. Oh wait, I can. Oh no, we can definitely do it with just JS. We don't have to use the LLM. Look, I'll feed it the function we already have. Write JS code to edit this function. Give it the function. Because the match worked to make sure the keys in the JSON are surrounded with double quotes after a match is found and before it is processed by JSON.parse. Here we go. Do I need an API key? Message you. Oh, thanks so much. No, it's all good. I have an API key, that's fine. I'm just cancelling my GPT Plus subscription. I think I'm going to be trying out Claude 3 Opus a lot more because I've heard it's better. We'll see. But GPU, I have 2080 Ti. Whoa. This doesn't know when to quit. We need a stop token. Hold on. Stop token, OpenAI SDK. Stop sequence. Because why does it keep going? That shouldn't happen. OpenAI docs. Wait, it might autocomplete. So if I go utils, first step here, pretty sure I can go stop. Yeah, stop. And then just give it the closing JSON bracket. So it stops as soon as it finishes the JSON. Yo, teach English, what's up? Sorry. I'm using a local LLM to try browse the internet with my open source AI web browsing agent. Every time I work on this, I have to like fix 10 bugs to even get it to do anything. Server stopped. Oh, here we go. Let's see this time. Oh, it doesn't include the close bracket. Oh, that's so dumb. We're just gonna include it here, but this seems so hacky. It just seems not the right way to do it. Hey, it did it. It went to YouTube like instantly. You see that? I know this is like pointless at its current capabilities, but look how fast I can go to anything. Go to GitHub. Like it'll be faster to type in the URL, but come on. Go to GitHub. No, it's broken again. Response, github.com. Oh, that's the right response. I think I had the issue because we already had one open or something. I don't know. Apparently something like that. But it's good. We potentially made it more reliable with this really hacky stop but include again method. I'm gonna do it here. because it is not included when supplying the stop property. I don't know, maybe that helps. Make sure it closes the thread or tunnel cache. Yeah, there's like a whole debugger kind of window thing that I create when I create the new window, and I think that messes stuff up. Yeah, GPU 2080 Ti, I think I answered that. What a world. We can now type Mr. Cage instead of URL bar. Yeah. No, but the thing is, we can give it further, more complex tasks once I fix more bugs. So maybe this stream, you know, we could be like, go to YouTube and search tech friend. I don't think this works at this stage. There was a period where this would work, but we've changed so much stuff that I think I broke everything. Okay, it's not even navigating to the website because properties of 0. Oh, I think I introduced a new bug in this line. No? Wait, where is that line? This is this line. Messages of 0. There's no choices. Performing thought query text for what? I don't know what happened that time. It didn't get a response or something. We don't have the network. Alright, we're just gonna try again. Would it be super beneficial if we could use Selenium with it? Yeah, you think so? What would Selenium be like? Give it possibility to do? Because running it in the browser is similar to like having Selenium running. Like you can access all the things on the page and stuff. Go to Reddit. Oh, I should. Damn it, I'm too slow. Okay, same error. Surely I didn't change anything here. No. Let's log. Check completion. Oh my god. Why is it like that? We should maybe do debugger. No, I think we're too slow. Actually, no, we wouldn't be. Whatever, this will work. Swarm AI? Yeah. Well, the thing is, like, a lot of these non-in-browser agents already use Selenium, but I think there's, like, some, like, ways to get around bots and, like, do other stuff a bit easier if it's in the Chrome extension. Ahmed, what's up? Does it search for text or unique XPath? At the moment, it's like mostly trying to do oh my god, I spelled JSON wrong. Mostly trying to work off like ARIA labels, but that hasn't been the best. A lot of other people use like GPT Vision, but I'm trying to avoid using Vision just to be cheaper. Alright, surely we get our logs this time. No? Unexpected. Oh, I meant JSON, not stringify here. Gotten bad at coding. Slipping up. Is it late? Oh, it's kind of late too. I blame it being late. I got 2 of these. Go to Reddit. Am I developing Devika? No, this is just web browsing. I see like a lot of people building Devin, and the part they haven't built is the part that I'm most interested in, and that's the web browsing. Why is it coming back like this, bro? Where is this even coming from? I'm gonna have to use... Oh, it's because of this. Hold on. It's because of this. I'm so foolish. That makes so much sense. How is an AI meant to figure that out? See? No, I guess the trial and error. I feel like trial and error is such an important tool for these agents to have. Like, they have to try 20 different things. Like, never give up. Just keep trying new things. And can they be creative enough to try 20 unique different things? What are you making? Clickerless Cage, an open source web browsing AI. NavURL.reddit.com. Great. Is what I want. Cannot access Chrome --URL. Why? Why cannot access? I don't think I've ever encountered this error before. Let's try a different place. We had YouTube work before. We can see what the difference is. Okay, no, same error. Okay, interesting. Chrome --URL. It's almost as if URL is hard coded. URL. Let's console log that, I guess. Nav URL. Go to YouTube. Okay, looks good. Oh, it's a different error this time. What the frick? What is the GitHub? I'll show you. AJ47/clickerless-cage. Sorry, I didn't see that before, John. Did you ask anything else? Sorry if I missed some people's YouTube comments. Every time I refresh this, it messes up my window. So yeah, it's a bit annoying. Wonder if there's a way. Not really. Not really a way to improve that a lot. Cryptic and Evase, thanks for the follows. Alright, what's this new error? Something about ID? I'm gonna find reading ID here. Tab.id. There was something that came with this before that I might need. Tabs. There's no active tab. Debuggers attached tab. Does that need to have a attached tab? Let's see. What if we remove all this? Because we're not really targeting any tab on purpose. So it could work without it. Alright, Mr. Cage, go to YouTube. No, tab ID or extension ID must be specified. Okay, Mr. Tab ID. So there was this like check that happened before. I thought we didn't need it, but it looks like we might actually need it. My good friend ChatGPT was the one that gave me the code. Where was it? Troubleshooting. Inject DOM. Probably this one. Here. On installed. Yeah. Let's see if doing this will fix anything. Barrel says, what if you say in current tab at the end of the prompt? The code that handles the tab stuff isn't like connected to the LLM. LLM just decides like where to go, like what URL, and like later it'll decide what to click on. I'm thinking of removing the URL as well and just making sure that it always starts with a Google search, because it messes up the URL sometimes. You can't mess up a Google search. Oh, no errors, but the window didn't open up. I'm gonna close every Chrome window here and open a new one. And then also revert these things. Okay. Let's see if it works on a fresh Chrome window. Go to YouTube. No. Tobias, thanks for the follow. Oh, I don't think it's saved. Oh, same error here. Cannot access the Chrome. Let's feed that to ChatGPT. Without much context. Forbidden from manipulating Chrome's inbuilt pages. I'm not trying to mess with Chrome's pages. Guess it's happening here. URL seems legit though. Where was the URL? Was it? I think it was just https youtube.com. Yep. So it's not happy with that. Even though that's kind of like a suggestion here. We're gonna go debugger mode just to make sure, but it should be fine. Now it should stop the code execution here. Perfect. And we can see, oh, we should have been able to see what the URL is, no? Yep. Oh, see, now it doesn't have the HTTPS. I wonder if it'll work this time. Oh, got a completely different error this time. The tab ID error. Interesting. Let me hard code. URL equals www.google.com, because I have a suspicion the issue is because of HTTPS. Like if it's just www and we don't get the ID error. No, okay, that's not the issue. Guess that's a good thing. Panel pop up. Wonder if this makes a difference. I swear it worked before though, so it wouldn't be this. Issue is different every time I run, yeah. Well, it's only 2 things, so it's not too bad. I didn't change anything else, just these. It's very interesting, because we weren't getting them before. The joys of software engineering. I don't want to spend too long on this issue/issues. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know why it's thinking I want to go to a Chrome. Oh no, that was before. Wait, actually. Wait, did we get that Chrome URL error? I'm going crazy. Barrel says they usually use Chromium with a fresh cache. Ah, that'd be pretty good. Just to test like bug out. Okay, yeah, good. Search, go to Google. Yes. I want this. I'm just gonna debug for this Chrome URL one, and then we'll just skip the ID one every time it comes, because I'm pretty sure that's a kind of like race condition type issue that we should be fixing somewhere else. Not like exactly somewhere else, but yeah. What does it say? It says this issue is when I'm restricted from accessing the Chrome's built-in pages directly through Chrome --. Using Chrome's create. Useful for redirecting. Yeah, this is what we're doing. Chrome.tabs.create. Oh! I think I might know an issue. No, this is Chrome.windows.create. I was thinking the issue is because like it goes to what is active and what is the current window, and I always click this, so it's trying to create it from inside the Chrome extension. So if I say go to Google, submit, and then quickly go here, yeah, it worked. Oh dude, my suspicion. No, but it's still Chrome extension /. The URL is wrong. Yeah, right, because if I go inspect here, yeah. Let me just check what it was here. Yeah. Let's ask ChatGPT why that's happening. Why I'm running the code from background script while oh, actually I'm running the code from background script while my extensions pop-up is open. The code is this. How can I make it so... I'll give it this as well. How can I make it so I don't get this error when the pop-up is focused? My session is expired. No, I'm gonna lose the prompt. Oh, this is so bullshit. I spent a good 30 seconds typing that prompt. We're gonna have to do some HTML hacking to get it back. Wait, where is this element? There we go. Nice. No, close. Oh, I can't scroll up. Copy inner text. Is that there? No. Copy selector. Whoa. Inner text. Nothing. Oh wait, that's not even what I want. Damn it, bro. Alright, we'll just copy this bit. So dumb. Gotta re-log in. What did I miss? HTMX? No, I haven't tried HTMX. Is there any AI, text-to-speech, audio, website, or software that's good? And free, possibly. Text-to-speech. I think 11 Labs is one of the best, but it's not free. The best free one is... Do I still have it in my notes? I hope I still have it. I might have removed it. No, it's still here. Real-time SST by Colja. But it's not a website, actually. I think it's just an open source library. I'm not sure what the best website is. Check out there's an AI for that.com and you can find the best AI for whatever you want. How do I feel about Gemini 1.5? Yeah, 1 million context window is amazing. So, yeah. Did I check out Voice Engine? No, I don't think I did. Which one was that? Sorry, every time I change something in my extension, I lose the Twitch and YouTube chat. So I'm sorry, SoundEnv, but I missed your message and whoever was chatting on YouTube. I think I can pop this out though, so that might not happen again. I think it actually still will because it's still running in the browser. Yeah, that won't change anything. Oh shit, John, you gave me another gift. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. Can I pin this? No, I can't. Can we add to the code base? Yeah, it's open source. Definitely submit a pull request, John. Thanks so much. Did I check out the voice? Okay, I finally caught up. Damn, sorry, John. I missed out so many of your comments. Who we got? Soundwave again. Could you incorporate using the default OS browser and use this default search engine into the function instead of using only Chrome? Ooh. Default OS browser will be tough. But you know a tool that is doing that is Open Interpreter's OS mode. But they use Vision. So I'm not sure if you can make a cross-platform browser extension unless it's like a Chromium browser. In that case, they can probably just use any Chrome extension. But like a cross-browser one, like, yeah, Open Interpreter's OS mode uses Vision. Oh, nice, it kept this. So yeah, with Vision, it can use any user interface, not just web. It can use apps and stuff as well. So I really think Open Interpreter has a good approach on this. But there is benefits of not using Vision. Like it'll be cheaper and faster, probably. But yeah. Oh, Wuviana, thank you so much for the nice comments. What was that site for best AI? There's an AI for that.com. Let me get my Zoom tool working here. I can't put the link in TikTok chat though, sorry. I'm on the way, let's go. If I download Chatterino, I can read YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Let me check that out. Nice. This looks good. The issue is, hold on, is this just YouTube and Twitch? It just says YouTube features. YouTube. Because I also have Kick and Twitter. So I'm using the restream chat window, but the thing is, it refreshes every time I change a thing in my Chrome extension. Yo, Terminator, thanks for the follow. AZS, what's up? I'm building an open source Chrome extension to navigate the web called Clickerless Cage. Did I give permissions for extension for active tab? Yeah, I'm just as clueless as you. But I think ChatGPT should be able to figure it out. Chrome.window.create. Wait. Chrome.debugger attach. Do we even need the Chrome debugger attach? We might not even need this. Let's see. If I just comment everything out except the window create, will that work? Go to YouTube. Hey! No, I went to Google. Hold on, I'm not confident that fully refreshed. Go to YouTube. The hell? Why is it going to Google? Oh, I think I hard coded Google. No. At least it's opening the window every time, so we did solve one issue. Yeah, I hard-coded Google here. Go to YouTube. Opens the window. Oh! Just had an issue with YouTube. I mean, Google. Oh, it's because I didn't put HTTPS. So we kind of need to put HTTPS. Or HTTP. Okay. That's interesting. Let's remove all of this. Wait, hold on. Let me check that the content script is running here. Yes, that's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. Gonna remove this code. Gonna remove this code. Great. Nav URL. Great. Great. Okay. Should I commit that change? Probably. Yes. What should we call this change? More like simpler window opening. Yeah. Commit and push. Okay. Now I want to change it so the first time it sends the first page it goes to is always a Google search. I think that's a good strategy to combat like hallucinated URLs. Termamenter subbed again? Is that legal? I don't think you can sub twice. So prompt to first step is going to be, you are an expert web browsing AI. Given a prompt from the user, provide the first step to achieving the plan. This should be a Google, we should say this should be a Google search. Oh, the absolute URL given. Actually, kind of, I forgot that I already told it to pretty much do a Google search. Or a Google search URL when URL isn't specified by the user. So I guess if the user gives a specific URL, that could be good too. I mean, you could always Google a URL. Alternatively, you could ask the user for additional information. No, you can't do that yet. We'll incorporate that later. Okay. Let's see if I say go to local llama on Reddit. What will it search? Will it even search? Oh, it searched on Reddit. I guess that works. I don't want it to go directly to a site though. I want it to not do that. It's fine. It's totally fine. Okay. Now, I've also made it able to click on buttons and enter text. So I want to test that. I doubt it'll work at this stage. Yo, go live. I'm making an open source web browsing AI called Clickerless Cage. So I'm going to say go to my Google Calendar and add a new event for tomorrow. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's going to Google Calendar. And nothing, just as I suspected. Let's see how far it got. Nowhere. Seeing some logs. Do we have any errors? No. So it seems after it does the first step. Oh yeah, here. This is the additional code that we have. So before I created it in a separate tab, but I kind of like having it in a separate window. I don't know. This feels more separated. But yeah, I guess we'll add all this old code. So tabs create, and then we have a callback function to go to the next step. Check tab ready. Aha, so this is where we are sending in information, because the way this works, Chrome extensions works, is there's a background script and a content script. The content script is the one running on the actual page, and the background script is the one that runs on like kind of the Chrome extension page, but you can communicate to it to the, why is there a comma here? I don't know. I feel like maybe that was for something else. Yes. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, so it should send more tasks to the content page. Go to my calendar and create an event. Let's see. if we get these messages this time or we get errors. Waiting tab ready. Ooh. Tab ready. Target tab equals tab.a. Okay. Maybe we never got that. Yeah. I don't know. That requires more debugging. That I'll get into later. I'm kind of bored of this at the moment, so let's do something fun to close out the stream. What could that be? Oh, I want to do this maybe next stream. Or this stream. Probably next stream. Oh, let's do some more open interpreter stuff. Let's see, did they release anything recently? I got a lot of support on my last video about it, so I will continue that series. So I'll give you guys an update if you didn't see it. My last stream, which was... Oh, not my second last stream. 3 days ago. I made Open Interpreter be able to create like versions of itself through a PowerShell script, and then they communicate through a mutual file. Oh, Beryl, you saw that video? How much of it did you see? Yeah, I was really surprised people enjoyed it, but they said, a lot of people said keep going. We'll be waiting for the next one. So I'm going to continue this next stream. Probably tomorrow. I just thought the web browsing is such an important part. Because I'd love to be able to run these stuff locally. But yeah, it'd be interesting where we take that. I kind of do want to make my own software engineer flow with Open Interpreter. Like imagine like that flow I showed before, if all of these nodes were like so there's an Open Interpreter product manager that talks to the coder. And then here I was having a web browser. I guess this should probably just be the same as the other ones. And there's some files. I think a new file, like the web browser should store files in like a results resources. I guess they can be like if we had a resources kind of .json which had what files are available and what they contain and what they are for. Resources. Gonna have to reorder this. Plan.json. Make this. Back to squares. Square. Results report. This is kind of separate to okay. What are you guys saying? Could anyone spare an 11 Labs account? Subscription of $1. Surely there's some free text-to-speech. There definitely is. I do test automation and currently trying to convince my boss for .NET apps. Nice. We have a quality assurance agent that's going to do test automation for us. So there's 3, I guess, agents here. gonna put this here. Hold on. We're playing this because I'm thinking the quality assurance agent could also look at the resources from the web browser and talk back to the. If it just talks to the project manager. Actually, I don't know if that's a good way. I should probably talk directly to whoever produced it. Bro, these lines are getting out of hand. How do we get that diagonal one on the other one? We can't do it on this. Here. Oh my god, that looks crazy. So, okay, we're going through sample workflow. User says, create an Express.js chatbot application that uses the latest OpenAI Python SDK docs online. All right. This is our MVP use case. Product manager creates a plan. Plan.json, which we'll see in a UI. I guess. Yeah. Step-by-step plan. Current status of each plan. And we're going to ditch the quality assurance agent, and the quality assurance is going to be done by the project manager. They're going to have access to the files, and from the files they also do quality assurance and urge the coder and web browser to deliver better results. Sounds so bad, but it's kind of probably would work. Okay. Also, the coder also adds a log to. Why is this? Whoa. I don't know why sometimes they're like linked like this and sometimes they're straight. How to make a difference. Oh. So we add files into this file system, file workspace, there. Software engineer. How long do you reckon it would take to build something like this? And what could we utilize that already exists? Yo, not human. I'm 17 years old. Can I learn to be a software engineer? Yeah, definitely. I started pretty young as well. I'd say just do something you're passionate about, like build projects, or maybe not passionate, but just find fun. Build games. I like to build games. What is my idea in general? This is just like a AI software engineering system, right? AI software development system. Everyone's building this. And they're doing pretty well. So there's no like reason why I should make my own from scratch. I should help one of the ones that are building it well. One of the main issues that I find with a lot of these, which a lot of them are lacking, and I would definitely be lacking, where I should start off with is with the browser agent. This bit always gets not enough. Wait, why is this filling? Not enough attention. There. Red. How do we solve the web browser agent? There's a few ideas I have for this. Let's go document mode. Y small, make big. H3. No, it doesn't work like that. H3. How do we solve the web browsing agent part of the... Okay. I think one idea is to use the multi-on API. This could work. So multi-on is like the best web browsing agent that I've used. It is a Chrome extension and an API. But yeah, what's the pricing? That's the thing. It's not local. Hey, Init Bob James, what's up? Also, Toprak says multi-on API is expensive. Yeah. Another thing. So it's like not local. And $, multi-on API. Then we have not reliably local. To run local. Which also means $. And that's like the... What's it called? Open interpreter, like OS mode. Because that uses Vision. Uses GPT Vision, and the local Vision models kind of suck right now. But I think it wouldn't be a bad idea just to invest in this system with the hope that the local models will get better. Could get better. They probably will get better. Multimodal, like open source multimodal models. That wouldn't be a bad idea. And then there's also like the Perplexity API. I've tried to do the kind of stuff I want with this, like extract code snippets, and it didn't work out too well. There's a few others like that as well as Perplexity, but ideally what we want from this is prompt to prompt to answer live web data answer. For instance, get a code snippet from OpenAI Python docs for chat completion. That's like a realistic one, and Perplexity didn't do that very well. Because this will be fed to it by the product manager, according to my diagram here. Web browsing agent. Oh no, from the software engineer. That's probably not right. Probably the product manager will get that doc. That's the thing, like, get the docs, and the software engineer will also have to read from the resources and files workspace. So we might as well just put this here. Any files. Puppeteer, yes, those are also options. Puppeteer, Selenium, Beautiful Soup. Man, why does this not go all the way? Puppeteer, Selenium, Beautiful Soup. The reason I don't like these is don't keep your session history. So like you gotta kind of auth every time, it seems. Or I haven't seen a good way to like not have to authenticate every time. I'm sorry, I missed some messages on audio check. Yo, I think it's fine. Rage Duck, what's up? Sorry, I missed so many messages. Wait, oh, this is wrong. This isn't live. I was like, I haven't read these messages before. These ain't live messages. Yo, Dubrack. Ahmed asks, how old am I? I'm 30. Multi-on API is expensive. Yo, good morning, Bob James. Puppeteer Playwright Selenium to replace multi-on is better if it gets expensive. Yeah, that's an option, but I've thought like a Chrome extension could be good, even for free with Grok. Yeah, I was looking to simulcast and combine chat. Remember? Yes, I remember that, Bob. Playwright, yes. Playwright, yeah, it's just like a extension, or like a, yeah. No. I think you can use your browser agent on Selenium. Let's Google that. Browser agent Selenium. What are people saying on Twitch? Oh, Bob James is here. Nice. We got Selenium, keep auth from Chrome. I think I googled this before and I couldn't find a good method. So you can download your cookies. Oh, so you gotta save your cookies and load them. But you still have to manually do it the first time, which isn't such a bad issue, right? That's definitely like Selenium could work. I think Open Interpreter can use Selenium a lot of the time. Should we try it? Do I still have? Yo, Ines, what's up? I still have Hermes 2 running. Let's fire up Open Interpreter, get it to do some stuff with Selenium. Maybe we just need an open interpreter swarm. I finally made a little alias so I can run open interpreter locally with 3-letter command. You can use DuckDuckGo search, it's free. Oh yeah, I've heard that. It uses your Chrome account with all the cookies. What does? Selenium? Or browser agent? I couldn't find. Can you find me docs on that? I think you might have to post it on Twitch though. I think YouTube doesn't allow docs, unfortunately. Big AGI has an experimental browser mode that uses WS. Yeah, I saw that. It uses Puppeteer. Like you gotta launch Puppeteer, like a Puppeteer WebSocket thing, right? I think that's how it worked. Something like that. So if I tell LM Studio to use Selenium to get a code snippet for chat completions from the latest Open AI Python docs, I think it's gonna go straight into the coding, which is not good. Cause yeah, it's guessing. No. So we gotta kind of say first use Selenium to Google and find the right starting URL. Like these kind of prompts that I'm giving it now is something that we need to semi-hard code in our like product manager agent to talk, or like our browser agent type thing. You know what I mean? Because it always gets it wrong when it tries it first time. So now we're getting it to actually do a Google search with Selenium. So let's see how that goes. Okay, we don't have Selenium installed. I don't know why it's not trying to fix that itself. Pip install Selenium, yes please. Barhum, computer engineer, 3rd year, finding it hard to get an internship. Any recommendations? Yeah, you need to prove yourself amongst the other thousands of people. Well, I don't know how many people applying for that job or internship, right? You need to build stuff. You need to like improve that resume. So just go out there, do projects, interesting projects, prove that you're good, learn. You know, why would they choose you over someone else? Or why are they choosing someone else over you? They've probably done other stuff or sold themselves. You know, you need a reason for someone to pick you. It stopped. Open interpreter hangs sometimes. I don't know why. Oh, I should do -- verbose. Is it verbose? You get more logs? That would be good. Because I don't know what it's doing. And I get impatient. I just want to stop it. But yeah, that's a potential as well. Let's not go too deep into this. Puppeteer, Selenium. So it doesn't keep your session history. Could be ways to solve this. Yeah. What are some other criticisms of that? Barhum, you're from Palestine. That's crazy. I hope you're safe. Sounds really terrible there. Yeah, I mean, are you able to flee or get to somewhere? I can't imagine it being very safe. Which chat am I reading? Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Did I miss something on YouTube again? No, I saw your message about DuckDuckGo, but that's just the search, right? We can't get like answers from other websites, as far as I'm aware. Wait, is this SERP API, DuckDuckGo API, DuckDuckGo search. It's like the Python package, right? Yeah. Yeah. I think it's just like a SERP API type thing. Yo, Bob, you're on all the platforms. What's up? Okay. I think the plan is I like Selenium. I think we could make that work, or Puppeteer or Beautiful Soup or whatever. These I see all these three is the same thing. Can we import from Chrome session? I mean, if we can't, we'll just save. I'll save the cookies. Okay. Whoa, good morning, cup of tea. Damn, that's a lot of coins. Thanks so much, Bob James. Ooh, top rack with an OpenAI chat. Let's read this. Page could not be loaded. Oh, they use Vercel for chat at OpenAI. Oh, it's cause I capitalize everything, bro. Wait, hold on. Actually, maybe if I go on Twitch, not Kick though. Yeah, right. Yeah. There we go. Chrome profile Selenium setup. Yo, nice. How can I use Chrome profile on Selenium to keep all the cookies? Pip install Selenium. Download Chrome driver. Write your Selenium script. Copy Chrome path. Oh, interesting. Yo, Bob James, thanks for the Twitch follow. Chrome options, add directory to Chrome profile path. Very interesting. I'm gonna put that on the notes. Okay, that's cool. Well, let's see if let's see. Wait, did this even? Oh, this got stuck. I don't know why. Let's see if Open Interpreter can write that. Chrome profile path, yeah. Let's see if my 7B model can do that. Use Selenium to load in my Chrome profile and visit tiktok.com. Doesn't sound like it's running at all. Oh no, it says it's streaming response. Let's see how it goes. Becca, thanks for the follow. Yeah, let me check my phone. I haven't checked it in 2 hours. Useless Warrior, thank you for the follow. Johnny Nat wants me to check voice engine. I mean, he did donate a lot, so let's check it out for him. Yo, OGM. Yeah. Whoa, it's a new thing. Oh, yeah, I briefly saw this. So OpenAI is making their synthetic voices. Are they even going to release this? Let's see. Wow.
Bike down a hill. First, the push you give off the ground is the force that gets you going.
Sounds very natural.
Faltaban 5 joyas en el cofre del tesoro.
Why is it Spanish
4 monedas más 5 joyas suman 9 tesoros en total. Bien hecho. Puedes mostrarme lo que ya sabes, entonces yo puedo saberlo también y podemos empezar a aprender cosas nuevas. Ya conoce ABC Mouse, pero ahora lo hemos... Estoy buscando a un niño que pueda...
Friendship is a universal treasure. La amistad es un tesoro universal.
It's like the same,
Aporta alegría,
same voice.
apoyo y risa. L'amitié est un trésor universel. Freundschaft ist ein universeller Schatz. 友谊是一种普遍的财富，无论我们身在世界何处。
我们现在冰淇淋. It's pretty good. Yo, Bob James on X. If voice engine is multilingual, it'd be amazing. It looks like it is. Are they gonna release this though? Or are they just teasing everyone? Building voice engine early. Looking ahead. Phasing out voice-based authentication. Oh, they're saying, yeah. We hope this preview... That's actually good, though. They're saying, like, there's dangers, because in Australia, we had a lot of voice-based authentication, so we should definitely be taking that out. Because we're just going to be able to clone voices now very easily. I made you do it? I didn't make you do it. Is that automated, or you manually went to every platform and said GM friend? You made yourself do it, yeah. Damn. Crazy, Bob. Thank you, I appreciate it. I appreciate all the gifts as well, Bob. Thank you so much. Yeah, well, that was a fun stream. I'm getting pretty tired, so I might wrap it up. But let's do a conclusion at a I want to start doing outros and conclusions. So pretty much this stream, first stream, which on YouTube it'll be the previous stream because I had to restart the stream. We checked out MetaGPT, who claimed they had a better Devin. I don't know if that's the actual claim they make, but it did say better Devin. But it wasn't very good. It didn't do any web browsing. It said they had web browsing, but it didn't do the web browsing, so I don't know. I wasn't fully into it, so I left it. I could have tried harder, but I did try at least 20 minutes, and we didn't get there. And then, what did I do then? Then I worked on my Chrome extension Clickless Cage for about an hour. And then after that, we did some diagramming of what a software engineer agent could look like, a system. And I want to kind of create it all with just Open Interpreter, instances of Open Interpreter. Something like this, with just three Open Interpreter agents communicating together to create software, essentially. That's the plan. Top right guys, how's the progress on Clickless? It's actually kind of backwards progress. So I've got it to open a new window to do all its stuff in, but in doing that, I've kind of hindered its process to be able to click on stuff and continue the plan. So it feels like we've kind of made backwards progress, unfortunately. But that's okay. Sometimes you got to move backwards to move forwards in the long run, you know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the stream. I hope to see y'all next stream. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed something or learned something today.